Beginner's full body stretch. Feel amazing in just 20 minutes. At home? Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we are going to do a beginner-friendly full body stretch that will help you feel amazing, relaxed, loose, and completely recharged in just 20 minutes at home. You don't need any equipment, just a comfortable space, a mat if you have one, and most importantly, your presence and breath. Stretching daily not only improves flexibility, but also reduces stiffness, back pain, and stress. So whether you've been sitting all day or just woke up feeling tight, this session will help your entire body feel brand new. Let's start together. Slowly, mindfully, and with intention. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel your shoulders drop, your body relax, and your mind come into the moment. All right, let's begin. 1. Neck and shoulder. Warm-up. Let's start with your neck. Gently release tension. Sit or stand tall. Spine straight. Slowly drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Hold for a few seconds. Feel that gentle stretch on the side of your neck. Now switch to the other side. Left ear to left shoulder. Now, chin to chest, feel the stretch along the back of your neck. Lift your chin up toward the ceiling, opening your throat and chest. Now make slow circles with your head, clockwise for 5 rotations, and then counterclockwise for 5 more. Good. Now roll your shoulders. Forward circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's loosen up even more. Inhale, raise your shoulders up to your ears, and exhale, drop them down. Do that 2 more times, up and down. Feel the tension melt away. 2. Upper body and chest stretch. Now let's open up your chest and upper back. Interlace your fingers behind your back, straighten your arms, and gently lift your hands upward while opening your chest. Look slightly up. Feel the front of your body expand. Hold for 15 seconds. Breathe deeply. Now, release slowly. Next, interlace your fingers in front of you. Turn your palms outward and push your arms away from your chest. Round your upper back, tuck your chin slightly, and feel a gentle stretch between your shoulder blades. Let's hold for another 15 seconds. Perfect. You might feel your spine waking up. That's exactly what we want. 3. Side body stretch. Now bring your feet hip-width apart. Inhale and raise your right arm overhead, keeping your left hand on your hip. Gently bend toward your left side. You should feel a long stretch along the side of your body, from your hip all the way to your fingertips. Take a few deep breaths here. Now switch sides. Left arm up, lean to the right. Keep your body tall and your chest open. These side stretches are great for improving posture and reducing lower back stiffness. Let's repeat 1 more time each side, nice and slow. 4. Upper back and spine. Now come down to a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. We'll do cat-cow pose. This one feels amazing for your spine. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone, look up, that's the cow. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin and pelvis, that's the cat. Keep moving with your breath. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round out. Let your spine move freely, fluidly, releasing any tightness. Do this for 6 rounds. Beautiful. Now sit back on your heels, reach your hands forward into child's pose. Let your forehead rest on the mat, arms stretched out. Take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. This is your time to relax. Stay here for 30 seconds. 5. Seated twist. Come up into a comfortable seated position. Cross your legs, sit tall. Place your right hand behind you, left hand on your right knee. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the right. Feel that rotation along your spine. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Now slowly return to center and switch sides. Inhale tall, exhale, twist left. Twisting improves digestion, posture, and spine flexibility. Hold for 10 seconds each side, then relax. Now roll your shoulders again. Nice and easy. Yes, arm and wrist stretch. Let S release tension in your arms and wrists. Great if you work on a computer or phone. Extend your right arm forward, palm facing up. Use your left hand to gently pull your fingers downward. You'll feel it in your forearm. Hold for 10 seconds. Now flip your palm down and pull gently the other way. Repeat on the left arm. Finally, circle your wrists 10 times each direction, slow and smooth. Now shake out your hands and arms. Let everything loosen up. Take a deep breath in. Stretch both arms up toward the sky. And exhale. Let them fall naturally by your sides. Now that your upper body is warm and loose, it's time to focus on the lower half, your hips, legs, and back. These stretches will release stiffness, improve flexibility, and make you feel light and refreshed. 1. Hip opener. Butterfly stretch. Sit with your knees bent and the soles of your feet touching each other. Hold your feet with both hands and sit tall. Let your knees gently fall toward the floor. Don't force it. You'll feel a deep stretch in your inner thighs and hips. Take deep breaths. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. If you want to deepen the stretch, gently press your elbows onto your knees. Stay here for about 30 seconds. Now, slowly release. 2. Hip flexor stretch. Come into a kneeling position with your right foot in front, forming a 90-degree angle. Place your hands on your right thigh. Now gently push your hips forward until you feel a stretch in your left hip flexor, the front of your left thigh. Keep your chest tall and breathe deeply. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch is excellent if you sit for long hours. It opens your hips and reduces lower back pressure. 3. Hamstring stretch. Now sit with your right leg extended and your left foot resting against your inner thigh. Inhale, reach both arms up, exhale, and fold forward toward your right leg. Don't worry about touching your toes. Just go as far as you comfortably can. Keep your spine long and breathe slowly. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch legs. You'll feel your hamstrings and calves gently lengthening. This helps improve circulation and flexibility in your legs. 4. Seated forward fold. Now extend both legs forward. Inhale, arms up, exhale, fold from your hips and reach forward. Relax your head and neck. Let gravity do the work. Breathe deeply. This is an excellent stretch for your back, hamstrings, and spine. Stay here for about 30 seconds, then slowly rise up. 5. Glute and piriformis. Stretch, lie down on your back. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Now grab behind your left thigh and gently pull your legs toward your chest. You'll feel this in your right glute, a deep, satisfying stretch. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. This helps with lower back tension and sciatica relief. 6. Lower back release, knees to chest. While lying on your back, bring both knees to your chest. Wrap your arms around them and gently hug your legs in. Rock side to side. It feels great on your lower spine. Take slow breaths. Stay here for about 30 seconds. Now, release your legs. 7. Reclined spinal twist. Extend your right leg straight and pull your left knee across your body toward the right side. Your left arm opens out to the side, looking toward your left hand. You'll feel this twist along your spine and hip. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. Twists are perfect for detoxifying and decompressing your lower back. Now, slowly roll back to center and rest flat on the floor for a few seconds. Your entire lower body should feel open, stretched, and light. In the final part, we'll bring everything together. Full body flow, balance, and relaxation to end your 20-minute stretch perfectly. We've already loosened the upper and lower body. Now it's time to combine them, improve coordination, and end with deep relaxation. 1. Standing forward, fold, and half lift. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Inhale, raise your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward from your hips, letting your hands fall toward the ground. Let your head hang heavy. Feel your hamstrings stretch. Now, inhale and lift halfway, placing your hands on your shins, keeping your back flat. Exhale and fold again. Repeat this flow 3 times, breathing deeply. 2. Standing side stretch. From standing, raise your arms overhead and interlace your fingers. Gently lean to the right, stretching the left side of your body. Inhale back to center, exhale to the other side. Keep your abs slightly engaged for support. These standing stretches build strength and flexibility together. 3. Quadriceps. Stretch, hold onto a wall or chair for balance. Grab your right ankle with your right hand, pulling your heel toward your glutes. Keep your knees together, chest tall. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch legs. You'll feel your front thighs and hips open up. 4. Calf stretch. Step your right foot forward, left foot back, both heels on the floor. Bend your front knee slightly and press the back heel into the mat. You'll feel the stretch in your left calf. Hold 15 seconds, then switch. These help reduce leg fatigue and improve balance. 5. Deep side lunge stretch. Step your feet wide apart. Bend your right knee while keeping the left leg straight, shifting your weight to the right. Toes point slightly outward. You'll feel this in your inner thighs and hips. Hold, then switch sides. Do this 2 times each side. This is great for opening your hips and improving mobility. 6. Full body reach and shoulder stretch. Stand tall again. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, stretching your entire body long. Exhale, bring your right arm across your chest, holding it with your left hand. Hold for 15 seconds each side. This relieves shoulder tension and improves upper body flexibility. Irvin, ending relaxation. Now find a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Feel your body grounded and light. Your shoulders are relaxed, your hips open, your spine tall. You've just completed a full-body stretch routine designed for beginners, but powerful enough to make you feel fully alive. Stay here for a minute. Just breathe. Notice how much better you feel. Amazing job. You've just given your body the care it deserves. If you want to feel this good every day, try doing this 20-minute stretch at least 3 times a week. Your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more guided workouts and wellness routines like this one.